Are you trying to decide between Docusaurus and mkdocS for your documentation needs? You're not alone. Both tools offer great solutions, but they have their own strengths. In this video, we'll compare Docusaurus and mkdocS. We'll look at what they do, their features, and help you choose the right one for your project. Both Docusaurus and mkdocS are popular tools for creating documentation websites. They help you organize your content and make it easy for users to find what they need, but they have different approaches to doing this. Let's start with Docusaurus. It's built by Facebook and is designed to help you create a modern website. Docusaurus offers a clean interface and supports React components. This means you can build interactive documentation easily. It also has built-in support for versioning, which is great for projects with multiple releases. Now, let's talk about mkdocS. This tool is focused on simplicity and speed. It uses Markdown, which many people find easy to write. mkdocS is lightweight and quick to set up. It has a variety of themes, so you can customize the look of your site without much effort. When it comes to key differences, Docusaurus shines with its React support and advanced features. mkdocS, on the other hand, is simpler and faster to get running. If you want a more interactive site, Docusaurus is the way to go. But if you prefer something straightforward, mkdocS might be better for you. In terms of pricing, both tools are open source and free to use. You can host them on your own server or choose a platform to host them. So, which should you pick if you're building a complex project with lots of interactivity? Go for Docusaurus. If you want something quick and easy, mkdocS is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.